What's good, YouTube? It's your boy AC Coolin, aka Big AC, back again with yet another banger for y'all, man. Now, honestly, I should have been had this video out, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I've been procrastinating like crazy with this video for real. But I'm here, got the video going, got all this stuff going for y'all, man. So y'all know I started before. Had like a little Grail finders thing going on. I give me a Grail sneaker that I've been looking for a while. If I find it for a good price, or if I just have like, you know, the funds at the time to copy it, then you know what I'm saying, I'll do it. So found another pair that I've been looking for a little minute. Let me see, it was about what, was it like 2-3 weeks ago, something like that? Probably was 2 weeks ago. And I finally found this sneaker, man, for a crazy, crazy, crazy steal. So I'm like, I gotta have Mesa Grail, you know what I'm saying? It's a sneaker that I feel like is a colorway is crazy, colorway is beautiful, you know what I'm saying? All that good stuff, man. So, you know, I figured since I got them in hand, might as well show y'all, man. This is a shoe that I've been waiting for. Well, I've been waiting to cop and have my collection for so long now, man. The BRED ones or the band ones, not the pattern ones, not the patent BRED ones that came out, not the, you know what I'm saying? I know mid BRED one. These are the highs, man. Like the Jordan 1 BRED highs or the band, whichever one to call them, band, BRED, whatever one. It's all the same thing, man. But this is just a beautiful sneaker, man. Colorway, material, leather, like in the person who had them and the condition of these sneakers, bro, I was shocked that these shoes, like, let me move these laces out the way, but I was shocked that this shoe, you know what I'm saying, still was in this good of a condition. Cause you know, shoes this age, it's like came out with 2016. So it's normally shoes from 2016 that are being worn, people beat their shoes up, you know what I'm saying, then they decide to finally flip them. That person who had these, they took good care of these. Only thing that's probably bad about them is like a little bit of star loss, but it's like nothing crazy, bro. Like the star loss ain't even that bad. And then overall, even with the star loss, the colorway, like the materials, the what you call, like, it's no paint chipping, no nothing wrong, like no stitching out of place. Like everything about this shoe was pristine when I seen it. I walked in the store and I said, BRED, hold on. And I was like, look at, I pulled the shoe up, you know, normally they put the price tag on the bottom of it. Look at the price tag, I said, there's no way. And it was a way. So I said, you know what, I'm here. I had a little store credit with that store too. I said, let me go ahead and copy these for my collection, man. Get y'all another little video for the Grail finders, you know what I'm saying? So this will be episode 2 of Grail finders, of a sneaker that I found that's a Grail. I need to start bringing my camera in the store when I find these Grails and start recording that too, so y'all can see like the full process of me getting these Grails. But this is definitely a Grail that I wanted to have in my collection, man. Like, well, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, when I got these ones, I probably looked at them like for a good 15 times that day, because I was like, man, I really got the BRED ones in my collection finally. Now I know some of y'all like BRED ones, nobody care about no BRED ones. Me personally, I care about BRED ones, you know what I'm saying? I know Jordan didn't technically wear these in the game, you know what I'm saying? He only wore them in a dunk contest, and then he wore them for the commercial he had for the band ones. So it's not like a game worn Jordan, but it's still a colorway that it's an 80s colorway, you know what I'm saying? One of the older colorways. So it's like, you know, I don't mind having this in my collection. Granted, Jordan himself did not like this colorway. He had an interview, I don't forget what talk show that was. I don't want to start nobody's name and be wrong with it, but whatever talk show it was, I don't remember, but he pretty much was saying that this is an ugly color, he don't like the color. So me personally, man, I love the color. Yeah, Jordan don't like it. Yeah, he didn't really care for it. He never wore it in the game, but still, man, like, look at him, bro. Like, I don't think y'all understand how hype I was when I finally got these in my collection. I was so happy, man. I was like, finally got some BRED ones. Got the Lost and Found Chicago. Of course, it's not like the OG Chicago's, but it's still Chicago, you know what I'm saying? It's a Lost and Found, so it's still Chicago colorway, so I'm not upset about that. Got the Shadow ones too, which is not, you know, it's technically not like no, you know, OG iconic colorway, but still another Jordan one that's like in that same color block. It's like the Shadows, these, the Royals, stuff like that. I need the Royals too, that's another shoe. So when I get them, they will be on the channel, on my Grail Finders, you know what I'm saying? This is a Grail Finders, I guess you can call it episode 2, like I said. So we'll be looking for more Grails, we'll be finding more Grails, you know what I'm saying? If this is your Grail, let me know down below. Or let me know what your Grail sneaker, like this isn't my number one, but like, what is your number one Grail? You know what I'm saying? What's the number one sneaker you want to have in your collection that you like? I need to have them. When I have them, I'm going to, you know, do them right. You know what I'm saying? Like, what pair is that y'all really care for that much? Me personally, I'm trying to think, what would my number one Grail be probably, man? I don't know, maybe the Tokyo 5s. I don't see myself ever owning a pair of Tokyo 5s, but that pair is definitely up there. But that price tag, hey, they got it. I'm not doing that. But they definitely up there on that list of shoes that I want to have as far as like Grails. But once again, man, let me know down below what sneaker you think is a Grail, what sneaker is a Grail to you. And then maybe we might have some of the same Grails, who knows? But as always, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos, tuning into my channel, you know what I'm saying? Y'all getting my views up, my subscribers up, man. I'm trying to be more consistent with my uploads. I know recently I probably uploaded maybe like once or twice every 3 weeks, but I'm gonna try to get back to my old ways when I first started my channel, like, you know, 2-3 videos a week, if not more, something like that. But trying to get like a lot of stuff going for the channel, you know what I'm saying? Got an event coming up. I'm going to ThriftCon, what's gonna be my first time going. I've been to a sneaker con, I've been to stuff like that, but I've never been to a ThriftCon. So decided to go to ThriftCon, really trying to find some vintage stuff, you know, maybe old tees or jackets, stuff like that. You know, who knows? I'm not no big thrifter, but I do enjoy, you know, thrifting from time to time. So ThriftCon is a dope event that I'm excited to go to. So looking forward to that. There's more sneaker events coming up that I will record. I didn't record the last one, but I will record the next one I'm going to. So be on the lookout for those videos. Be on the lookout for maybe some of my shopping videos as far as like going to sneaker stores and finding good prices on stuff. So just let's stay tuned for all that, man. If you haven't subscribed yet, man, make sure y'all smashing the subscribe button, man. If you got some friends that like sneakers, tell them friends about this too, man. I get plenty more content coming, man. Like, this is the season of plenty more. So when I say I get plenty more, just trust and believe I get plenty more content coming. With all that being said, man, I appreciate y'all for watching my videos and tuning into my channel, man. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.